What's up? Adam West again for SoFly Sneakers. And I did say at the end of the last video that we would take a look at the Jordan 1 Defiant Couture, but they're buried and basically I couldn't be bothered to dig them out, so I got something pretty cool instead. A pair of Converse, something a little bit different, and these are Converse collab with Takahiro Miyashita, who is otherwise known as TheSoloist. So we'll get one out. Very sort of tech looking shoe, especially from the front. You see we've got like the lace cover here with the zip. It says on the tongue, "I am the soloist." You can't quite see it for the zip. There you go, "I am the soloist." Triple black colorway with like an icy sole. And take a look at the back there. We do have the tag on this one. I'll get the other one out in a minute. But yeah, very clean, simple, but yeah, with these tech elements on the front, very nice. And then the sole underneath here, "Hello, I am the soloist." And then you've got sort of the cutout here straight through to the padding. So yeah, very, very cool shoe. I haven't been able to find these in my size. The big sizes seem to sell out pretty quick. I'll get the other shoe out, which is unfortunate because, you know, I'm really feeling these. They are very nice. Yeah, probably, don't know, there's a few nice Converse. This is the ERX 260 high, and there's the 260s. They came back hard last year and they brought out a few nice silhouettes. There's this one, there's the one with Don C, which was kind of crazy. It was kind of pony hair, beige colour with leopard print bits and pops of colour. And then they've done some more sort of standard ERX 260s, kind of a bread colourway, and you know, a few others. And yeah, they've been coming back hard, and this is probably one of my favourite ones. That lace cover there, you can remove that, but I think it's pretty tasty. So yeah, something a little bit different today. I don't think we've looked at any Converse before. We do have a few nice pairs of Converse, to be fair, some limited editions. So I'll pull a few more of those out in the next few videos. Yeah. So there we go, that's the Converse ERX 260 high with Takahiro Miyashita, or otherwise known as TheSoloist. Yeah. And so I hope you enjoyed taking a closer look at those. They are for sale at the minute. They are a UK 8, US 9, and I will drop the link below. Don't forget, we've got a giveaway going on Change Clothing. All you have to do is sign up to the newsletter, and it's not going to be spammy or nothing like that. It's just going to be once every 3 months, probably starting from January. Just updates about sustainable fashion and the things that we're doing to sort of combat fast fashion. So yeah, sign up and you can win yourself a free organic t-shirt from our range. We've got 3 to give away. So it's changeclothing.co.uk. I will drop the link below as well. Yeah, definitely check that out. And until next time, I will catch you later. Take it easy.